So here basically that's the next video of the language part. So here one person told that each and every software basically which is getting created, for example 1 crore software basically is getting created, that basically the things basically are controlled by the governments basically. There is not a single person basically in the India basically who is connected with the clients. For example 1 lakh software companies are there. They are basically directly connected with the agents basically, not the clients basically. Because in this world basically only governments basically can control, and governments are connected with whom? That one group basically who is the owner of the thousand, one of the owner of the thousand. So you can just imagine basically up to what level things are basically connected. So here one person told that nobody basically trust each other basically, but you are basically, this is like India and Pakistan basically. India and Pakistan basically are the enemies, but they basically, few Pakistani basically stays in India also basically. Few Indian basically stays in Pakistan also basically. When basically the war starts, they exit India, one exit Pakistan. So like this also basically things are connected. So there are basically 2000 crore basically process basically ongoing in the land basically. So 2000 crore equal to 1 lakh, sorry, 2000 crore planets basically. That is basically doing the process basically. So here one of the person basically asked the question, all the natural items basically are created on the base of this. 1 lakh buildings are created. 1 lakh buildings basically are invested by the banks. That is the World Bank, and World Bank basically is connected with this financial institute, and this financial group basically are connected with this thousand people basically, and they are basically investing the money basically as per the requirement basically. As per the requirements, as per the creation of planets basically. So this thousand building, the 1 lakh building basically which is created in Russia, they are basically created on the base of this requirement. So next.